Hello friends and viewers. So Naksha is with her Batik collection this time. She would like to share all the fresh ones which has come. The Batiks are mainly on silk and tussar, but today is the stock which I would love to show you all are mainly on silk. So let me begin with the silk sari. The quality of the saris are it's very nice, very good quality, superior quality. Reason why it is hand batik and it's wax resistant, and the quality has to be good in that case. So let me show you this one. The complete sari is a beautiful mauve which has a fine crack inside, as you can see, and this happens to be the palla, which is uh, beautiful. You can see some lilies, and it's water lilies, and the leaves there on the water. It's this way. So the pallu is on off white, and the blouse is similarly on an off white base. So here this happens to be the blouse. When the complete sari is a dark mauve one, it gives a very smart look. So here it is. This sari is 6,800. Now coming to sari number 2, it's a beautiful vibrant yellow shaded sari, and this is the palla. It's a very happy yellow shade. I love to wear this shade any time of the day, and let me share with you this polka dotted batik is gradually rising up, and in gradation it goes high. Here it rises, and finally the whole thing spreads to the pallu. This is the idea behind it. And the blouse is a fine crack on yellow. So if I have to just put it on myself, it's going to be this. It's a very smart sari, not a very conventional traditional one, and you can really fancy on this sari. So this is sari number 2, which is also 6,800. Now coming to sari number 3. This is a lovely sari. Let me share with you the pallu. This is the pallu, which is on geometric shape. The blouse is also on a geometric base. It is this way. This happens to be the blouse piece. And the complete sari is very interesting. It is this. Let me come close. You can actually see the number of shades on the leaves. It's on the water plants. It has aqua blue and green on it, and also at times it has those orange and red flowers. It's showing. Here it is. So the complete sari is this. It has a crack base on the top, on the off-white side, and the pallu is this. So, and let me show you, as the sari has multiple color shades here, so the effort is more in producing this. And let me show you here. When you drape it, here it is. So this sari is 7,500. Reason why: the number of shades that has been used, number of colors that has been used, the karigar puts extra effort to produce this. So this effect has been brought with it took a lot of time, it took a lot of experience in it, and therefore it's a real masterpiece production. So this is sari number 3, which is 7,500. Sari number 4, let me show you. This is also very vibrant, very nice. It's an abstract base. You actually can't figure out what the base is about, but it's got owls in between, which makes it look very interesting. As you come close, you can actually figure out the owls. But let me share the pallu with you. Here is the pallu. It's colorful yet very elegant. So if I have to drape it on myself, let me show you. It is this way. The pallu is this, and the sari is colorful with a lot of shades in it, and it's got a very predominant border on it, a bright border which runs all through with a stripe of coffee brown with red and yellow, and this is this. So let me come close if you would like to have a better look at it. Here it is. So this is 7,500. This is saree number 4. Saree number 5 is very abstract. Here you can see it's geometric figures done. There are no flower motifs and stuff like that. The complete saree is this. It's very nice, you know, you can just see the difference of the color shades, yet you can find that fine crack going all through. And your pallu is this. Here it is. So your pallu is actually a solid shade of ochre yellow and green, and the saree is this. This, if I have to put it on myself, let me show you. The blouse is an off-white one. Good that it's an off-white one because the saree has a number of colors in it. So it will really make it look nice. Here it is. This is the color of the saree, the geometric figures. This is the palla and the blouse is off-white. This is 7,500. This is saree number 5. Now coming to saree number 6 is also very pretty, you know. Have a look at it. This palla is this. The complete palla is this, which has cranes, which has lotuses and the leaves, and they are in teal blue, off-white and a dull pink, and that makes it look so pretty, so elegant. And the unique color shades here, the border, and the blouse piece is so interesting. That is, that teal blue is the blouse piece, very similar to the border which runs all through it. So here is the saree. If I have to really drape it on me, I really feel this looks so nice, so elegant. And the motifs are handmade. Here it is. How elegant it is. Very classy. So this is 7,500. Now coming to the other saree, which is also yellow. But let me share with you that yellow and the steel blue gives such a lovely combination. But the base of the saree, have a look at it. It's got a yellow-green mix. You know, it's a soft, tender green, which you can see. Let me come close. Even the motifs are very soft and very delicate motifs. It's got a yellow border and the pallu happens to be this. So if I have to really explain you the, you know, the motif that is over here, we can see peacocks, we can see lotus, and it's so subtly done that is making it look so beautiful with this base of a soft green and an off-white and a yellow. It's looking very delicate and nice. So the complete saree is this, and the pallu happens to be this. Let me share the blouse piece with you. The blouse piece is here. It is yellow. Here it is. And this bit of it will be at the back, and the complete blouse piece is a yellow blouse. So this is 7,500. This is a beautiful, very soft. The green and yellow combination has made it look so delicate and nice. Okay, now let me come to some very colorful flowers in it, and which is pretty prominent. You really stand out on the saree here. So this saree is this. The complete saree is this. Happens to be the pallu. The whole saree happens to be this, and the blouse piece is a dark shade of this, and this bit will be at the back. So your sleeves will be in single shade and this will be at the back. So if I have to have it on myself, let me show you. It's going to be something like this. This is your pallu. This one will fall like this, and look at it. It's looking so nice. These colorful flowers are giving a very graceful look at it. So the whole saree is this, and it is 7,500. So if I have to come close, have a look at the color of the border and the sari, and it is this. Now coming to the next sari is, this is also, you may like it, this is a very lovely shade, and this has a pattern design in between, and this whole design just runs in between the sari, the complete sari. So here is the sari, and your pallu is this. So this happens to be your pallu. So that pattern enlarges at the pallu tip end. So it's going to be something like this. A beautiful shade of a pastel brown with a coffee brown border. So it is this. It's very stylish. Here it is, if I have to show you, here. So, and your blouse piece to show, it's the same shade of the border, which is a very dark shade, dark base, and obviously with the dark base, the complete sari will look fascinating. So this is 7,500. Now I'll show you another sari which is a very soft, tender shade. So this is a tender shaded aqua blue. So look at it. The school of fish all around, very delicately made. The sari would actually be like this here, and it's just with the two shades that the complete sari is done, which makes it look very delicate and nice. And this bit of it would be the blouse piece. The blue shade would be the blouse piece. It's a teal blue, which is on a lighter shade of teal blue. It's very difficult to really describe the shade, but let me come close if you all can make out. So the whole thing is this. It's got the complete sari has a crack in between, and this motif runs throughout. So this is 7,500. Now I'll show you another one which is very colorful, so much of effort being put in it, so many colors being used. So the karigar has really spent time on it. So I'm displaying the pallu. So this happens to be the pallu, and the complete sari is this. So it is the jungle that you can actually see from within. Each leaf is so beautifully crafted, and it's the body of the sari has soft brown cracks. The complete sari runs through with a jungle theme throughout, and the pallu ends this way. And if I have to show you the blouse is in a contrast of this, so that it really looks nice. So this is another sari. But the beauty of the sari, which I'll actually have to define, is if you have to see, look at the leaves, the lovely shades that has been used, a bit of dark green, light green, and, shades of yellow in between, and the twigs are visible in brown. So that makes it look very classy. So here it is, a beautiful craftsmanship displayed. So this is 7,500. Now showing you another one which is sort of a jungle theme only. The complete sari is this. Here it is. This is your blouse piece, and the sari is this. Let me show you. This is the sari. Here it is. So the complete sari is this. Here it is. I think it's visible. The pallu is the colors from the sari they have taken, and they have formed stripes over here. The fine crack is all through, as we can see. And this is the theme of the sari here. And if I have to put it on myself, it's going to be this way. This orange color, brick orange color, is looking so beautiful. Here it is. And the blouse is a dark coffee brown blouse. So with a single solid color blouse, and this sari having a jungle theme looks outstanding. Something new and nice, hand batik done, as you all know. So this is also 7,500. Well, the sari I am draped is also a batik, and this is on tussar silk. This is very specific of Bengal. We call it patterns being made, which in Bengali we say alpona done on the sari. So, and I really loved it. It's definitely different from the rest of the saris. And this sari is a tussar silk sari. The color of the sari is this. So throughout you can make out it's the pattern being drawn in the sari throughout, and it is this. So if I have to show you, it's completely done up like this with the two shades, and this sari is 8,500. So with this, I had a quick share of my batik silk, and to come back to you with the process of selecting, picking up the saris over here. Just take a screenshot and share it at my WhatsApp number 98317806898. And any query that you have, feel free to share with me, and I shall definitely answer to it. So thanking you once again, looking forward to your response.